Yeah, YouTube. Me have to look a voice over here, but me I tell no people. Yeah, today we go Samantha bike shop and me I tell yo, make sure you go shop with her. She let in a crossroad this man like I go up on retirement road and you can turn off. Yo, man, I tell you people, yo, it's a reasonable vibe, right? Yeah, subscribe to the channel, my people, don't know. So make sure so when on to the bike parts and the link up. When you can stay tuned to the end of the video, and the someone pull up around there and now see how things crazy. She have a whole heap of parts and she does have a vibe. Her customer service good, brother, man. I tell you, you can't go wrong on this. Yeah, man, I'm out. Man, I don't see that thing. Yeah, one thing here, the man not rate me, because I ever go to them good views there. It's not cheap. That's a lot, man. What the hell? Yeah, YouTube, so I take it along with me. Yeah, I don't know. 3,000. Ya me echan a ver. But next stop, we'll go over in a crossroads. Samantha bike shop. Samantha bike shop and the next stop. I'll go buy some parts from my cousin. No, I'll probably say my guy Jackson. So, I can stay through. Back on horse, but I don't want to buy it. I only want to damn scene. Oh, I need to buy some. Alright, we'll get on the road and get some. So much traffic, man. Look at that. Here. I don't want traffic, yes, sir? Come here. What's all about there? Yeah, more people, so we just Samantha bike shop. You don't know. That's something there.
Yeah, jerk cheese and apple for
You have shifter seal.
Yeah, 2 base.
You have
Cock seal.
yeah.
So we got the orange season that so in one of them pack. Oh no, the same dirty season I buy with you.
You have the original mirror them.
Give me the cock seal and done for you so and the jersey feel. Okay. So you want the mirror and the cock seal and jersey seal?
I'm on 2 set at front this price.
2 set.
Yeah.
I want pay. 2 set.
2 set. Something you have the mirror them you have. How them look?
You have jerk? What that?
The mirror them.
Me and go feel me. Oh.
Alright, yeah.
Hold on. Buy the jerk one then.
Alright, yeah. I'll wait for them part, I know. No, so I need a back row too. Them are people, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Anybody asks over there with a sound to buy chat. This day. But they don't know which part is. Some of which part being in the part center. Yeah, but that's some of the road part. But don't look where I work. No, papa. Oh shit. Paparazzi. Then buy parts of me, I buy no armor for my bike. I buy for you. For my dance bike. Let's buy. If you don't want to see, make sure you stay through to the end of the vlog. This is a vlog. This is not a bike video. This is a vlog, you know? So basically I travel with me.